Amy has been working on the ability to like generate your own custom color palettes for M3. So right now we have like some predefined ones, but hopefully for version 18, there's going to be just like, give like a seed color and it'll generate a color palette for you, a whole theme for you, which is something
Pavel's been working on that too. So that will be, so Pavel, you might not need to build that because Amy's going to build that for you.
We'll see.
Well, I was working on Material 2 version to changing, because I was basically able to put CSS variables through the palette and change it on the runtime level. But
yeah. So this would be from TL3, and I don't know about runtime. I mean, the thing that Amy's working on is compile time. Although I think you could do a similar thing with variables and kind of do a runtime one.
Yep.
So that's on the horizon, and then the components team. So then we've just kind of like finished up this huge project now, and so I think we're going to be open to maybe work on some new stuff that's been on our back burner for a while. I can't say like exactly what that's going to be yet because we have like a team summit coming up in next week, actually, I think, where we're going to like discuss more about it and like what our priorities should be. But yeah, it's good news that we're going to have some more bandwidth to work on things other than Material 3 now that Material 3 is kind of out there.
Yeah.
Having more CDK components will be really cool.
That's what I'm advocating for. We've got to have the discussions. That's definitely what I'm advocating for.
Keep us posted. We're very excited about that.